Greetings from Salinera beach in Strunjan, Slovenia. Yes, another beach adventure with Chris from Slovenia. And this is how the beach looks like on 13th of October at 3 p.m. exactly. The beach is facing north, but still there is sun on the beach. There is a beautiful pebble beach bar that is right next to the road that is not so trafficked actually, as it doesn't go all the way to Portorož, I believe. There is another one on the other side of the mountain, and I was hiking to get here from Fiesa, the nudist beach, and also there is a lake over there. And I'm now in a different city. It's amazing how many cities I have visited in Slovenia in just 2 days, and I'm gonna be here also tomorrow. So, yeah, I'm heading now later to Methyshev Zaliv, which is an FKK nudist beach located 3 kilometers away from here. But I wanted to stop for another beach adventure and swim in the Adriatic Sea. And I'm gonna stop also at the main Strunjan beach, that probably I will be there for the sunset. And yeah, new beach adventure with Chris, and this beach has some kind of a hotel or something. I think it's a private, but anyone can enter anyway. So there are even a jetty to get into the water. And this will be my fourth swim for today. And after all of my vlogs, I'm doing also 10 minutes of swim. So today, if I met this right, if I visit 2 more beaches, I'm gonna have 1 hour of swim in the sea. So let's not wait any longer. I'm really eager to swim in the sea. And I'm so happy to be exploring Slovenia on a super hot day like this, 20 degrees Celsius. It feels like 30 to be fair with the sun, and steady 22 degrees Celsius in the sea. So let's then have another swim in the Adriatic Sea in Slovenia. I'm so happy that I have decided to spend most of my time during this trip in Slovenia, because it's definitely this part of Slovenia has better beaches than Umag, where I was, and also Trieste, where I was struggling to find a beach close to the city. They have even a pedal boats as well. I have never been on a pedal boat actually, now that I think of it. It's not that I'm missing a lot, but just look at how beautiful the color of the water is. And so far today I visited 2 nudist beaches as well, and 2 public beaches. So left is I think 1 or 2 nudist beaches. Let's see how the time will be. But this beach is very nice indeed. And I forgot the name of it, so I will need to double check the name. How quickly I forgot the names. So I don't want to lie again to you about the name. Let me just see, what do we have? Salinera, yes, Plaža Salinera, which means salty. Sal means salt, and the sea is salty. Adriatic Sea is one of the saltiest seas here in Europe. And yeah, I'm gonna be enjoying now with a swim in the sea at Salinera beach, or Plaža Salinera as they call it in Slovenian. I can understand a lot of Slovenian despite being different language than Macedonian, but it's also a Slavic language. But I'm not sure if I can speak, but if I speak something like Serbian, they will understand more than if I speak just Macedonian. So, ready, set, and go! Oh boy, it's amazing. I love it. This is paradise. Salinera beach in Strunjan, Slovenia. Marvelous. I just can't believe how beautiful the weather is for it to be autumn. A lot warmer than Sweden, both in the air and in the sea. So I made the right choice to have a nice trip and to avoid the cold Baltic Sea, even though I love it for sure. Yeah, now it's time for me to enjoy the swim here in the sea. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me from Plaža Salinera in Strunjan, and I'm gonna be definitely seeing you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.